Good morning, guys. Happy Monday. How are you? Morning. Good morning. How's everyone going today? Super excited for today because we have a big gap. So let's see how that gap is if it's gonna get filled or we're gonna have a gap and go day. I love when we have a gap overnight and then it gets filled. I hate when we have a gap and then we have a gap and go day. Do we have any data today? I think we do at 9:45. Not completely short. Let me check that. Yeah, we do at 9:45. EMI at 9:45, and then we have one Fed speaking at 1:45. Morning. Okay, so for today, my main watcher is gonna be a spy on the queue because of the gap. So we have pre-market high and these 568, 569 level on SPY. And then for the Q, we also have pre-market high. Okay, so we have pre-market high. Then we have this 489 level here. 489, 488. But basically the main level to watch right now is pre-market high. Pre-market high and the VWAP. If pre-market high acts as support, we're having a gap and go and we play the upside. If pre-market high rejects, let's see if we can play the rejection here and play the gap. So far the Q is rejecting 488, rejecting pre-market high, rejecting the VWAP. SPY definitely looks a little bit stronger than the Q. Okay, we have Apple right at Friday high. If that level acts as support, that could be a good bounce play on Apple. IWM 208 is the level that I'm watching.
from dawn till dusk, no slowing pace. In every drum, ambition's trace. In every brew, we celebrate the endless drive that fuels our fate.
Hey, morning, Breed. Morning. Okay, I like this reaction here on the queue. The problem is Spy is holding too good.
Chocolate dreams that never sleep. Coffee whispers, secrets deep. A mocha love that fills the air. Sweet productivity everywhere. Morning rituals, therapy. Caffeine dance, it sets me free. Joyful bites, a magic spell. In this mocha world I dwell. Mocha magic in my cup. Sip it slow, don't wanna rush. Every moment feels so bright. With this blend my day takes flight. Goals are clearer, sip by sip. Chocolate on my fingertips. Energy that fuels my soul. Mocha makes me feel so whole.
Okay, we have a few more minutes till data.
Sip by sip. Chocolate on my
Okay.
fingertips.
Yeah, this pre-market high is very important here on SPY. If that level acts as support, we could play the upside here.
Afternoon sun meets cocoa bliss. A perfect match, just can't miss. Every sip, a gentle reminder. Life's a brew, let's make it kinder. Mocha magic in my cup. Sip it slow, don't wanna rush.
SPY very strong here.
So bright.
Where this candle came from? Like, what's going on here? Yeah, pretty strong move on SPY. The Q still is having trouble at pre-market high. But with SPY doing this, it's gonna be very difficult for me to play a short here.
Starting strong on rhythmic beat. Coffee dreams and bustling days. Feel for thought in subtle ways. Silent whisper in a cup keeps our spirits rising up. Soft yet bold, it sets the pace. Productive rhythms in every space. Life's a dance, just take a sip. Cappuccino's perfect trip.
Okay. Do you guys see Amazon? That's the only one that I really wanted to swing trade on FOMC day. And that chart is looking beautiful. I do think it needs to fill the gap that it had today, that it opened with today. So if we move down and fill the gap till Friday's close, that could be a good entry also to play the upside continuation.
Soft yet bold, it sets the pace.
Okay, we're reacting here. At least 88.50. Looks like it's an important level here on the queue. Let's see IWM, how it's gonna react to 208. Yeah, data in 4 minutes.
Morning sun just hit my face. Coffee's magic in this place. Whispered words ignite the spark. Fuel for ventures in the dark. Confidence within my cup. Lift me high, won't let me drop. Every sip I feel the
Look, this gap. We have this big gap here.
puts my mind at ease. No rush, no race, just feeling right.
And the same thing here for SPY.
A dance, a jump, a twirl around. In this brew, my joy is found. Eyes wide open, no so clear.
Okay.
Cold brews whispers in my ear.
3 more minutes for data.
Sipping dreams till late at night.
488.30. Okay.
It's within my cup. Lift me high, won't let me drop.
IWM reacting to 08.
Every sip I feel the breeze. Cold brew puts my mind
So far. Tesla is pretty strong today. It's right at the 264, 265 resistance.
the gentle drive. Flat white keeps my work alive. Precision brewed, it keeps me clear. Chill vibes follow when it's near. Morning glow, it sees me through. Every sip, a world anew. Life feels
Palantir, nice move here.
lost in liquid like a dream. Coffee rhythm in my veins. Flat white singing sweet refrains. Love pours down in every cup.
Okay, we have 1 more minute till data. So far, I like IWM 208, and I like this pre-market high on the queue. Let's see if it's really gonna react there or it's gonna use it as support.
Dance of beans ground to delight. Warmth embraces day and night. Sip by sip, my mind takes flight. In this cup, the world feels right. Foamy touch, a cloud on top. On this journey, never stop. Caffeine currents, gentle brush. Moments filled with just enough. Coffee rhythm in my veins. Flat white singing sweet refrains. Love pours down
The queue's fighting here.
cup. Uplifting with each little sup.
Oh yeah. If we have a rejection and then here and then VWAP rejection, that will be beautiful if we can have a gap fill today. But I think we need SPY to be weaker to reject pre-market high and the VWAP too. So far, Microsoft, Nvidia, Apple are not looking too hot. Looking kind of weak, all three. Okay. Okay, so far looks like the market like that data. We'll see. Okay, so these breakouts looking pretty strong. Now we want to see this 5-minute candle holding this support or resistance support, and then on the next candle, if we can have a pullback, that's where we enter. But I want to see this candle being strong. I don't want to see it closing with a long wick at the top. I'm watching IWM also. If cannot hold the VWAP, most likely I'm gonna play a reaction there. Okay. SPY looking pretty strong. Palantir is gone. I wanted to enter Palantir on a pullback to Friday's high, but that one is gone.
Morning fog, but now it's clear. With a sip, my mind shifts gear. Half awake yet fully numb. Cortado helps me claim my zone. make my heart beat. Half and half, no need to roam. In a cup, I found my home. Keeping steady on my path.
We need a pullback here so we can enter loans. Same thing here on SPY. IWM is having trouble at the VWAP.
Cortado gives me back my soul. In the mix of black and white, liquid calm, it's pure delight. Stay awake but not too bold. Perfect blend, I'm feeling gold.
We need a pullback here so we can enter loans. If it just goes, it's gonna be difficult for me to trade this.
Claim the day, no need to rush. Sip the peace in such a hush. Take a break, let life unfold. Simple pleasures worth their hold. Keeping steady on my path. Blend so smooth it stops the wrath. In my mind I find control.
Yeah, no clean entries for me yet. This was good, but I didn't want it to enter here with data coming up.
Short and bold, it hits just right. Ristretto powers me through the night. A tiny shot, a mighty lift. Focused vibes are its special gift. Steaming hot and dark as gold. In every drop, a story told. Wake me up and set me free. Ristretto, can't you see? Sip it slow, let it flow. In the
Same thing here.
grow. Small dose, big boast. Here's to the coffee we adore most. Morning ritual keeps me sane. Chasing dreams through sun and rain. Tiny cup, but huge and right. Ristretto shining bright. Dark and rich, it fuels my fire.
We gotta be really patient here. Look at Amazon. That thing is going. Not even a pullback and filling the gap to Friday high.
In the cafe where dreams grow. Small dose, big boast. Here's to the
Come on, give me a pullback. Tesla crazy strong. IWM is having a lot of trouble to go higher. Apple looking pretty good.
A touch of joy with a hint of zest. Productive moments are the best. Coffee swirls in creamy bliss. Finding peace in moments like this. Task a day. Sip the magic, feel the lift. A simple treat, a priceless gift. Midday dreams come alive. Avocado helps me thrive. Tiny joy in each sweet sip. A moment's pause, a gentle trip. Recharging in a cup so small. Avocado beats them all. When the world
Well, it looks like we're not gonna have any entries here.
in this cup, I'll make it last.
No pullbacks, no entries.
Tea unwinds. Avocado clears my mind. Sip the magic, feel the lift. A simple treat, a priceless gift. Midday dreams come alive. Avocado helps me thrive.
Floaty clouds and liquid gold. Nitro fuels the brave and bold. A gentle buzz, a flowing stream. Nitro brings life to every dream.
I feel so much pain watching Amazon moving.
Bubbles rise
That would have been a beautiful swing trade.
in every sip. Adventures run.
Beautiful, beautiful swing trade.
Call. With nitro power, we stand tall. Feeling high but staying cool. Nitro energy breaks the rule. In a sparkle we unite, riding waves throughout the night. Golden whisper in the air. Flavors dance beyond compare.
Okay, we might get our pullback here. We'll see.
Goes on and on. In the glow of neon light, we drink deep and touch the sky. Every drop a cosmic flight. With nitro we don't just get by. Feeling high
Amazon, I'm sorry, Microsoft is pretty weak. I don't know why.
in a sparkle we unite, riding
Nvidia's not looking too strong, but it's very choppy, that chart.
flavors dance beyond compare.
Nvidia's been super choppy the past few days. Doesn't have like a clear trend. Weird candlesticks on the bigger time frames.
In the glow of neon light, we drink deep and touch the sky. Every drop a cosmic flight. With nitro we don't just get by. Feeling high but staying cool. Nitro energy breaks the rule. In a sparkle we unite, riding waves throughout the night.
Okay, I like these wicks here. Let's see if we can have a pullback to the VWAP. Or at least pre-market high. But now we have a very slow market.
Vienna blends a productive beat. Soft yet strong, it clears my mind. Positivity in every grind. Morning sun melts winter's chill. Gentle notes that slowly thrill. Whispers of a city wide awake, finding joy in each mistake. Stirring dreams in porcelain cups. Life's a sip, slowly waking up. Echoes of laughter.
Come on, just move lower so we can trade something.
Writing chapters in such vibrant days.
Watch out, IWM, the VWAP here.
Afternoon breezes, stories unfold.
It's looking pretty weak. If the Q and SPY pulls back, it looks like IWM is gonna die.
Loving seconds like a gentle spell. Waltzing shadows in twilight's grace. Every moment will embrace. Penny Sue's meet their dance. Chance on chance for a life.
Any charts you guys like for today?
Romance, stirring dreams in porcelain cups. Life's a sip, slowly waking up. Echoes of laughter down cobblestone ways. Writing chapters in such vibrant days.
Volunteer 100.
Shadows in twilight's grace.
Let's see.
Every moment
Well, 100 is your target, but what is your entry?
Penny Sue.
Yeah, Palantir was one of... I had a Palantir and IWM for my watch list today, but Palantir never gave me the entry that I wanted, which was the pullback to Friday high. So that thing is gone.
Life's a sip, slowly waking up. Echoes of laughter.
For me to enter anything, I kinda need the gap fill or a pullback to the VWAP.
In such vibrant days.
If it is a strong chart like Palantir, Tesla, the Q, SPY, we need pullbacks here. You enter it with Desi? That is not a good answer. You need to enter with a level, with a plan, not because someone else entered that trade.
I'm ready to go. Fuel in the fire, let in the workflow. Bold and strong, no time to delay. Espresso's here to kickstart the day. Sip the power, feel the
Okay, so we're starting to get rejection here, which I like.
rocket taking flight.
Not to play the downside, but to wait for pullbacks here.
No more haze.
Started to like
Magic starts to crave.
curve. Like we're having a little curve here.
Cup in hand, it's a win-win. Dark and deep, it's my secret.
I want to see it going
Espresso's
down here.
got a hold on me. Sip the power, feel the might. Morning rocket taking flight.
Okay, I like that.
Eyes wide open, no
Give me more.
Espresso's magic starts to crave. Every drop a burst of light.
Microsoft is crazy weak. Why is that?
Swift and bold, the only way. Espresso rules my everyday. Sick of power, feel the might. Morning rocket taking flight. Eyes wide open, no more haze. Espresso's magic starts the craze.
Yeah, no chasing here. If we chase, we're gonna end up red. So trading is all about being patient. We have a plan, we just need to wait for that plan to give us an entry. That's it.
Sharp and steady, clear and strong. Driving the rhythm of
Nothing goes like straight up, and if that happened, we just miss the trade, and that's okay. That's part of trading.
setting fire to sleepy rooms.
Okay, I like that move.
A simple smile, the world ignites.
Perfect. Let me take this out of the way so we can really see what's going on in the chart. Okay.
Your mindset never fades.
Okay, so VWAP here is key. If can hold, that's our entry. I want to see both a SPY and the Q right here at the VWAP and see how it's gonna react there. Especially SPY, because even if we have the Q here right at support, if SPY still have a little more down to go, the Q is gonna keep going lower.
Holding courage in my hand. With every goal, the battle's won. Chasing shadows till they're gone. Wake up, warriors of the grind. Leave your worries
Okay.
behind. In this cup, take shape a dream.
This is a bigger candle than expected, to be honest. And that's Nvidia. It's Microsoft. Nvidia looks like it wants the gap.
Dawn to dusk, it takes control. Pouring vigor within my soul. Macchiato mindset never fades. Fueling dreams in endless shades. From dawn to dusk, it takes control. Pouring vigor.
Okay. So far it looks like it wants to bounce here.
Macchiato mindset never fades. Fueling dreams in endless shades. From dawn to dusk, it takes control.
Nice bounce on IWM.
Wake up, warriors of the grind. Leave your worries far behind.
I definitely like this hold here on the Q, but I want to see the SPY going lower.
Take shape a dream.
Or maybe keep it here, but the VWAP going higher. So basically I want to see price action on SPY closer to the VWAP.
More precious than
Long and smooth, a steady stream. Americano fuels every dream. Endless focus with each sip. Chill yet driven, no time
honestly would not touch Nvidia unless it fills the gap.
bringing drive to our complacency. Morning buzz to late night grind. In that cup, our strength we find. Sip by sip, ambition flows, navigating life's ebbs and flows. Americano heart and soul keeps us burning, reaching goals. Through the highs and lows we stroll, endless fire.
Oh, nice bounce here on the cue. Might just miss my entry here.
Energy in every stream, winging on that caffeine dream.
I need some water, I'll be back.
Unfazed bright gleam, riding high on coffee's beam. From dawn till dusk, no slowing pace. In every drum, ambition's trace. In every brew, we celebrate the endless drive that fuels our fate. Chocolate dreams that never sleep. Coffee whispers secrets deep. A mocha love that fills the air. Sweet productivity everywhere. Morning rituals, therapy. Caffeine dance, it sets me free. Joyful bites, a magic spell. In this mocha world I dwell. Mocha magic in my cup. Sip it slow, don't wanna rush. Every moment feels so bright. With this blend my day takes flight. Goals are clearer, sip by sip. Chocolate on my fingertips. Energy that fuels my soul. Mocha makes me feel so whole. Goals are clearer, sip by sip. Chocolate on my fingertips. Energy that fuels my soul. Mocha makes me feel so whole. Afternoon sun meets cocoa bliss. A perfect match, just can't miss. Every sip, a gentle reminder. Life's a brew, let's make it kinder. Mocha magic in my cup. Sip it slow, don't wanna rush. Every moment feels so bright. With this blend my day takes flight.
Foam so light, a gentle guide. Cappuccino keeps the balance wide. Morning glow, it tastes so sweet. Starting strong on rhythmic beat. Coffee dreams and bustling days. Fuel for thought in subtle ways. Silent whisper in a cup keeps our spirits rising up. Soft yet bold, it sets the pace. Productive rhythms in every space. Life's a dance, just take a sip. Cappuccino's perfect trip.
Well, looks like I missed my entry to the pullback here on the queue.
In morning light, chasing shadows out of sight. Sip by sip, the world awakes. New adventures, morning makes. Latte leaves a milky trace, but this foam holds steady grace. Every drop a spark divine. In this cup our stars align.
Soft yet bold, it sets the pace. Productive rhythms in every space. Life's a dance, just take a sip. Cappuccino's perfect trip.
Yeah, maybe 208 rejection, but the thing is, I don't want to play rejections on a market that is looking very bullish. So that's what you need to think about. Do you want to play rejection on a market that is going up? You better buy the dip on this market than looking for rejections. Can it reject 208? Yes, but I wouldn't go for it.
Morning sun just hit my face. Coffee's magic in this place. Whispered words ignite the spark. Fuel for ventures in the dark.
You move your levels when you see price action that is not using your levels. There's no time for that. You just see how it's gonna react to your levels, and then you just adjust your levels based on that. Because maybe there's a week that I need to adjust my levels every single day, and maybe there's a week that I don't need to adjust my levels at all. So everything depends on price action.
No rush, no race, just feeling right. Cold brew, love in morning light. A dance, a jump, a twirl around. In this brew, my joy is found. Eyes wide open, oh so clear. Cold brews whispers in my ear. Little moments big and bright. Sipping dreams till late at night. Confidence within my cup. Lift me high, won't let me drop. Every sip I feel the breeze. Cold brew puts my mind at ease.
Okay, so we have Nvidia turning around now, but it's doing nothing. Nvidia is super choppy, very sideways. I really like Amazon, what it's doing. Palantir looks like it's giving you a pullback to the VWAP. That could be an entry. IWM still having a lot of trouble around 208. So if we see a strong breakout there and use 208 as support, that could be our entry.
Keeps my work alive. Precision brewed, it keeps me clear.
I don't want to touch AMD. I have AMD shares. That's more than enough for me. I don't like how AMD it's been moving lately, even if it's having a very good day today. I don't really care what AMD is doing today.
Lost in liquid like a dream. Coffee rhythm in my veins. Flat white singing sweet refrains. Love pours down in every cup. Uplifting.
AMD is a perfect example that when you have a stock that it's been down so much, that is the best opportunity to just buy shares. My average is around 107, so I'm pretty happy with what AMD is doing, but I'm not looking to trade AMD.
Ground to delight. Warmth embraces day and night. Sip by sip, my mind takes flight. In this cup, the world feels right. Foamy touch, a cloud on top. On this journey, never stop. Caffeine currents, gentle brush. Moments filled with just enough. Coffee rhythm in my veins. Flat white singing sweet refrains. Love pours down in every cup. Uplifting with each little sup.
Ooh, coin breaking out 200. That's the level that I had on my watch list today. It's using 200 as support. That's pretty good. Nice breakout here. Anyone got the dip here on this VWAP pullback on the Q? That was the entry that I missed.
Foamy touch, a cloud on top. On this journey,
Bull flag? That is not a bull flag on Microsoft.
caffeine
It's a bear flag.
brush. Moments filled with just enough. Coffee rhythm in my veins. Flat white singing sweet refrains. Love pours down in every cup. Uplifting with each little sup.
I like this coin hold. I really like it.
Warm and smooth, a steady stream. Latte carries me to my dream. Sips of comfort from the start. Sows my soul and warms my heart. A blend of ease, a touch of glow. Whispers sweet in every flow. The sanctuary in each cup.
Yeah, definitely the gap and goals days are extremely difficult, at least for me. Those are my worst days. Like Fridays. Fridays and gap and gold days are most of the time I end up red. So that's why I'm being super careful on taking any trades today, because I know those days are not my days.
Foam and froth, a silky dance. Moments
Like the thing with trading is like after, like at the beginning you want to trade everything, but after you have like a kind of experience trading, you understand that it's okay. You're gonna miss a lot of trades. It's better to miss than go red, because trading, if you really understand it, it's not about trading. It's about making money.
Morning turns into delight. In these latte layers, find my calm.
So if I'm not feeling comfortable taking a trade, most likely it's gonna fake me out. So I prefer just to not trade and be patient and wait for a setup that I like or that I feel comfortable putting my money on the line, right? Because again, I'm here to make money trading. I don't make any money from YouTube. I barely make any money from affiliates on the prop firms, so my money is based on how much I make or lose trading.
Morning fog, but now it's clear. With a sip, my mind shifts gear. Half awake yet fully numb. Cortado helps me claim my zone. City buzz in crowded streets. Balanced tones make my heart beat.
Man, Tesla just going. Yeah, the only one that I do feel FOMO is Amazon, because I saw Amazon like before this big move. But I didn't feel comfortable entering because it was FOMC day. But yeah, Amazon is the only one that is really painful watching going higher, because that chart was extremely bullish.
Cortado gives me back my soul.
That was a very clean setup for a swing trade.
Black and white.
All my codes give you the discount that the prop firm is offering right now. So Apex right now it's 80% off. So my code is giving you 80% off.
Claim the day, no need to rush. Sip the peace in such a hush. Take a break, let life unfold. Simple pleasures worth their hold. Keeping steady on my path. Blend so smooth it stops the wrath. In my mind I find control. Cortado gives me back.
But the best deal right now is Tradeofied and My Funded Futures, because you're having 80% off on evals on Apex, but you're paying $125 per funded account. If you use My Funded Futures, I think it's only like 97%. $97 per evals and no activation fee. And same thing with Tradeify, the growth account. So technically, Tradeify and My Funded Futures are cheaper than Apex right now. And my code for Tradeify and My Fund the Future is ADR. I know Topstat is a very solid prop firm, but just don't use it. So I can only recommend the one that I used, which is Apex, Tradeify, and My Fund the Futures. If you're just starting with prop firms, I will go with My Fund the Futures and Tradeify. Yeah, the good thing about Apex is that you can copy trade with more than 5 accounts. I think it's the only one that I let you copy trade with 20 accounts, which is why I use Apex.
A sweet escape in the daily grind. I forgot what clears my worried mind. A touch of joy with a hint of
I have tried take profits, yes.
productive moments are the best. Coffee swirls in creamy bliss. Finding peace in moments like this. Tasks
Yeah, that's good also. Again, the one that I recommend are the ones that are being paid. And the one that I think are easier for new traders is My Fund the Futures and Tradeify. So with take profits, yes, it's very good, but it also have it's tricky because take profits doesn't have intraday drawdown with evals, but once you pass the evals and you have funded accounts, it's just like Apex with the intraday drawdown. So I think that's even more tricky, because you can pass eval without intraday drawdowns, but then when you go to funded, it does have intraday drawdown. So I think that's tricky. Yeah, they do daily payout after you make, I don't remember how much, but yeah. Tesla rejecting 275, that's an important level there. I already said it, My Fund the Futures and Tradeify. Those are the two that I really like. And pretty easy to follow the rules, very easy to apply for payment. You have your money in your bank accounts like in 1 day, maybe 2 days. So those are the two that I really recommend. Okay, let 208 IWM. Let's see if it's gonna break out here. With TradeOffa, you can have up to 5 accounts, and they have a 35% off on the 50K accounts. With My Funded Futures, you can have up to 3 accounts.
Touch the sky. Every drop, a cosmic flight. With nitro, we don't just get by. Feeling high but staying cool. Nitro energy breaks the rule. In a sparkle we unite, riding waves throughout the night. Golden whisper in the air, flavors dance beyond compare. In this tide we find our song. Nitro's beat goes on and on.
Three and 5.
In the glow of neon light, we drink deep and touch the sky. Every drop a cosmic flight. With nitro we don't just get by. Feeling high but staying cool. Nitro energy breaks the rule. In a sparkle we unite, riding waves throughout the night. Golden whisper in the air, flavors dance beyond compare. In this time we find our song.
It's weird that we don't have, like, I'm not seeing too many stocks that are moving with a clear trend. Like, Apple is doing nothing. Nvidia not doing much either. It's very sideways. Microsoft is kinda weak under the VWAP. Amazon, yes, is moving higher. That's the one that I see.
Whipped cream kisses, coffee so sweet. Vienna blends a productive beat. Soft yet strong, it clears my mind. Positivity in every grind. Morning sun melts winter's chill. Gentle notes that slowly thrill. Whispers of a city wide awake, finding joy in each mistake. Stirring dreams in porcelain.
Now we have kind of this intraday level here. Let's see if it's gonna hold.
Slowly waking up, echoes of laughter. Down
Same thing
cobblestone
here.
way, writing chapters in such vibrant days. Afternoon breezes, stories unfold, mysteries in streets of old. Clock hands dance, what tales they tell.
I think Trump is talking right now, so we need to be careful.
Waltzing shadows in twilight's grace. Every moment will embrace. Penny Sue's meet their dance. Chance on chance for a life romance. Stirring dreams in porcelain cups. Life's a sip, slowly waking up.
See, coin is holding 200, the 200 level. Oh yeah,
Down cobblestone,
I like this hold on coin. The thing is that it has a big gap below. Let's see how our coin contracts moving.
waltzing shadows in twilight's grace.
Yeah, this definitely could be a good entry on coin. With a stop loss at a 2 days low.
Echoes of laughter down cobblestone ways, writing chapters in such vibrant days.
Yeah, but I don't like how Nvidia is moving. Pretty nice uptrend here so far. Yeah, in both SPY and the Q. Very clean uptrend here so far. Let's see if we can have now the pullback that I'm waiting here for on SPY. I wanted the VWAP pullback. Hello, hello. Hola. No, you don't have to pay for data with props. Well, at least I don't think you have to. I don't know if it is because I'm paying for data on TradingView. No, I would not say that's a head and shoulder. Yes, no. Yeah, Palantir definitely looks like it wants to go to 100. Sadly, it didn't give me the pullback that I was waiting for. Another entry that I missed. Yeah, it looks like we're having a grind day today. Very clean gap and go day. Again, those days are not my days. So when you're using prop, you can trade on Tradeify or you can trade on Tradeovate. I use Tradeovate, which is this one that you see here. Nice breakout. Okay, looks like we have another intraday level here. Same thing here for SPY. Let's see. Yeah, we have 575, 576. It's a big resistance to watch here on SPY. So we have still a lot to go. 3 more points. We can have just an uptrend all day. Let's see for the Q. The Q would be 492.50, 493. Watch out IWM if can hold 208 as support. Oh, Nvidia wake up. That's why we move it so high, so much. Nice wake up here for Nvidia. That is definitely gonna push the Q here. Damn, Nvidia. I don't know, today for me it's a weird day. We don't have Apple doing nothing, Microsoft is not doing nothing, but it's kind of weak. Nvidia didn't do anything for like 1 hour and a half, and now it's moving. The market is moving very slowly to the upside. Those are the days that I have difficulty entering anything, any trades. It looks like today it's just gonna be a boring stream with no trades, to be honest, guys. It's almost 11 o'clock. I missed my entry here. I can't enter anything that is too far from the VWAP. Okay, let's try it out. These candlestick here. My stop loss is gonna be this low on NQ. Let's see if it's gonna hold this level. Okay, so we have coin. What is coin doing? Okay, coin. Let's see if it's gonna hold the VWAP. IWM, guys. IWM is breaking out.
They kept us connected, blacking out the mirror where your light once reflected. All of the love from up above, we used to feel like a glove.
Okay, I like that hold.
I still think about the you that only exists in my brain. Nothing ever stays the same. Guess it's just a shame. There's no one to blame.
Okay, looks like it's gonna stop me out. Okay, I'm out.
Cut the cord. kept us connected, blacking out the mirror where your light once reflected all of the love from up above. We used to feel like a glove.
Looks like it faked me out there.
Think about the you that only exists in my brain. Nothing ever stays the same. Guess it's just a shame. There's no one to blame.
If gonna hold here, I'm gonna try it again. I want to see like a candlestick that is at least green here and holding this level. Okay, I like that. Okay, it's not holding. Okay, this is getting too slow. I'm done for today, guys. One little red trade here. Missed my entry here, so for now I'm just not gonna trade this slow uptrend. I'm just gonna wait and see if later today we can have a pullback to the VWAP, and that will be my entry with SPY. So yeah, I'm not gonna trade this low move to the upside because I feel like I already missed my entry. But if you are in calls, there's no reason to sell unless you lose the VWAP. At least for me, I don't see a reason to sell here because it's having a very clean uptrend. Basically, breaks a level, then pull back, breaks another one, pull back, breaks another one, pull back, and then looks like it's just gonna keep doing that. Very nice if you were able to enter early today. I think the best entry today was this pullback here to the VWAP on the Q. IWM is looking pretty good if you enter on the 208 break. Coin looks like it wants to hold here. The VWAP is looking pretty good too. But yeah, but right now it's very slow and I don't want to trade here. So I guess I'll see you guys mañana. Thank you for being here. I'll be here tomorrow. Bye.